Now let us see practice set 2.3. Now state the order of the given sets. Now first one is cube root of 7. Cube root of 7, the order is 3. Then 5 root 12. Square root of 12, for square root radicand sign, the order is always 2. Then fourth root of 15, order is 4. Square root of 39, order is 2. Square root of 18, order is 3. Then next we will see here this one state which of the following are surds and you have to justify them. Then cube root of 51. This is a surd because radicand 51 is a positive rational number. Order 3 of the surd is a natural number greater than 1. And cube root of 51, this is an irrational number. So these three things you have to write down. First you have to write down whether radicand is positive or not. Then you have to write down the order of the surd, it should be greater than 1. And then the entire number, that cube root of 51, should be a irrational number. So these three reasons you have to write down for all the sums. Then fourth root of 16. Fourth root of 16 is 2, which is a rational number. So the third condition is not satisfied. So fourth root of 16 is not a irrational number. So fourth root of 16 is not a surd. Then fifth root of 81. This is the surd because again radicand 81 is a positive rational number. Order of the surd is 5, which is a natural number greater than 1. And fifth root of 81 is an irrational number. The square root of 256 is equal to 16. This also is not a surd because square root of 256 is 16, which is a rational number. Then cube root of 64 is 4. So cube root of 64 is also not an irrational number. So it is also not the surd. Then square root of 22 upon 7. It is a surd because radicand 22 upon 7 is a positive rational number. Order 2 is a natural number greater than 1. And square root of 22 upon 7 is an irrational number. Now you have to classify the given pair of surds as like surds or unlike surds. Now like surds means what? The irrational number should be same. So square root of 52, you can write down the prime factors of 52. See here how the prime factors are found out. So first divided by 2, 2 into 26 is 52. Again the 2, 13. So the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 13. So take out 2 from the first pair. So 2 root 13. So 2 root 13 and 5 root 13. So irrational factors root 13 they are surds. So they are 2 root 13 and 5 root 13 are like surds. Then square root of 68 and 5 root 33. Now square root of 68 means again the prime factors are 2 into 2 into 17. So this is equal to 2 root 17. And so again irrational factor here it is root 17 and here the irrational factor is root 3. Now root 3 and root 17 they are not same. Means they are not same, so they are the unlike surds. Now 4 root 30, 18 and 7 root 2. Now 4 root 18, this is equal to 4 into square root of 2 into 3 into 3. So 4 into 3 will come out root 2, so 12 root 2. So 4 root 18 it can be written as 12 root 2 and the second surd is 7 root 2. So here the irrational factor root 2 is same, so they are also the like surds. So this way you can do the remaining sums. Now this one simplify. Simplify means what here? This one find out the prime factors of the radicand. So square root of 27 means 3 into 3 into 3. Since square root we are finding out from form a group of 2 similar factors. So 3 will come out. This is equal to 3 root 3. Now square root of 50 is equal to, again write down the prime factors, 2 into 5 into 5. So this is equal to 5 root 2. So this is the simplified form. Then square root of 250. Square root of 5 into 5 into 5 into 2. So this is equal to 5 root 10. The square root of 112. The prime factors of 112 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. So from each group take out 2 outsides. This will be 4 root 7. So this is also simplified form. So this way you can find out the simplified form factors of the number. Now compare the following pair of surds. This explanation I had given you. 7 root 2 means take 7 inside. So this will be 7 into 7 into 2. So this is root 98. 5 root 3 means the simplified form. You have to convert it into the pure form. So 5 root 3 means 5 into 5 into 3 root 75. Now 98 is greater than 75. So root 98 is greater than root 75. So 7 root 2, it is greater than 5 root 3. Then second one, 2 root square root of 247 and square root of 274. Now 274 is greater than 247. So square root of 274 is greater than square root of 247. Then 2 root 7 and root 28. 2 root 7, you will take 2 inside the root sign. So 2 into 2 into 7. So this is root 28. And 2 root 7 is equal to root 28. And second third is root 28. So both are equal. Now 5 root 5 and 7 root 2. Take 5 inside. So this is square root of 5 into 5 into 5, square root of 125. And 7 root 2 is equal to 7 into 7 into 2. So that is equal to square root of 98. So square root of 125 is greater than square root of 98. So this way we can continue and do the remaining sums. Now this simplification is there. Now for simplifying the two surds, 5 root 3 plus 8 root 3. So 5 plus 8 you add. These are the like surds. Just add the rational numbers. 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 root 3. Then 9 root 5 minus 4 root 5 plus 125. So now square root of 125. Write down in a simplified form. 5 into 5 into 5. Take out 5 outside. In the outside you will get root 5. Now 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 root 2. 10 root 5. Now this one also, just write down the simplified form of this and try to solve it. Then next is here, multiply and write down the answer in the simplest form. 3 root 12 into square root of 18. Now 3 root 12, here this will be written as 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 plus into 3 into 3 into 2. Now take out, means write down the simplified form of root 12. So 2 will come out, 3 2s are 6 root 3, and here also 3 will come out, 3 root 2. 6 root 3 into 3 root 2. So 6 3s are 18 root 2. 18 root 6. Now second one, 3 root 12 into 7 root 15. So take out 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 3 into 5. So this will be here. Take out 2 outside. 3 2s are 6 root 3 plus 7 into root 3 into root 5. So 6 root 3 into 7 into root 3 into root 5. So this is 126 root 5. So this way you can find out the multiplication. Now for division, what you have to do? Just divide the radicand. Root 98 divided by 2, it is root 49 is equal to 7. Root 125 divided by 50 is 5 root 5 upon 2. So root 5 upon 2. 54 divided by 7 is 2. So square root 2. So this way here you have to do. So I hope it's clear to everyone now.